Welcome to our journey through the animal kingdom, where we'll explore some of the most unique creatures on our planet. In the vast tapestry of life, there are animals that defy expectations, creatures that have adapted to their environments in extraordinary ways. From incredible adaptations to strange abilities, these animals will leave you in awe. Our journey begins in the ancient lakes of Mexico, where we encounter a creature seemingly frozen in time. This is the axolotl, an amphibian with a remarkable secret. Unlike its salamander relatives, the axolotl retains its juvenile features throughout its life. Its most astonishing ability lies in its capacity for regeneration. Should it lose a limb, the axolotl can simply regrow a new one. We marvel at this creature's ability to defy time and injury. We journey now to the land down under Australia, home to a creature that seems to defy classification. This is the platypus, a creature so bizarre that early researchers believed it to be a hoax. With its duck-like bill, webbed feet, and dense beaver-like fur, the platypus is a patchwork of seemingly disparate features. It's one of the few venomous mammals, possessing a spur on its hind legs. The platypus is an electroreceptor, detecting electrical fields of its prey. The platypus is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. Our journey takes us now to the icy waters of the Arctic, where we encounter a creature of myth and legend. This is the narwhal, a whale with a single spiraled tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long. This extraordinary appendage, present only in males, has captivated the imaginations of sailors and storytellers for centuries. But the narwhal's tusk is more than just a striking ornament. It's a sensory organ of exquisite sensitivity, containing millions of nerve endings that allow the narwhal to detect changes in water pressure, temperature, and even the salinity of the surrounding sea. Imagine a world where you could taste the water, feeling the subtle shifts in currents and the presence of prey. This is the world of the narwhal, a world of sensory richness that we can only begin to comprehend. The narwhal's tusk is also a symbol of status, with males often engaging in tusking duels, rubbing their tusks together in a display of dominance and social hierarchy. These interactions, once shrouded in mystery, are now being revealed through the use of underwater cameras and acoustic monitoring devices. Chapter 4. Pangolin, the Armored Anteater. We journey now to the forests and grasslands of Africa and Asia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped out of a medieval tapestry. This is the pangolin, a mammal covered in overlapping scales of keratin. When threatened, the pangolin curls up into a tight ball, its impenetrable armor protecting it from predators. But the pangolin's most remarkable feature lies in its long, sticky tongue, which it uses to lap up ants and termites. Sadly, the pangolin is one of the most trafficked animals in the world, hunted for its scales. Chapter 5. Leafy Sea Dragon, the Master of Disguise. Our journey takes us now to the kelp forests of southern Australia, where we encounter a creature so well camouflaged that it seems to disappear before our very eyes. This is the leafy sea dragon, a fish related to the seahorse, but with an even more extraordinary appearance. Its body is adorned with long flowing appendages that mimic the swaying fronds of seaweed. It drifts effortlessly through the water, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. Its camouflage is so effective that it can be nearly impossible to spot, even for experienced divers. Imagine a world where you could disappear at will, blending into your surroundings with perfect camouflage. This is the world of the leafy sea dragon, a world of stealth and deception, where survival depends on the ability to avoid detection. The leafy sea dragon's camouflage is not merely a passive defense. It also uses its disguise to ambush unsuspecting prey, lying in wait among the kelp before striking with lightning speed. Chapter 6. Ai, the Nocturnal Enigma. Our journey takes us now to the rainforests of Madagascar, where we encounter a creature of the night, a creature as elusive as it is bizarre. This is the Ai, a lemur with bulging eyes, bat-like ears, and a long skeletal middle finger that seems to belong in a horror movie. But the Ai's bizarre appearance belies a fascinating ecological role. It's a specialized forager, using its incredible hearing and its elongated middle finger to locate and extract grubs and insects from tree bark. Imagine a world cloaked in darkness, where your senses are heightened, and you navigate through a world of echoes and rustling leaves. This is the world of the Ai, a world of nocturnal adventure where survival depends on the ability to find food in the dark. The eye taps on trees with its long middle finger, listening for the telltale sound of hollow chambers. Once it locates a grub, it uses its sharp teeth to gnaw a hole in the bark before inserting its long finger and extracting its prize. Our journey takes us now to the steppes of Central Asia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped out of a Dr. Seuss book. This is the saiga antelope, a critically endangered animal with a distinctive bulbous nose that hangs over its mouth. This unusual appendage is not merely a cosmetic quirk, it serves a vital purpose, filtering out dust during their long migrations and warming the cold, dry air before it enters their lungs. Imagine breathing through a built-in air filter, a natural adaptation that allows you to thrive in harsh, dusty environments. This is the reality for the saiga antelope. The saiga's nose also plays a role in communication, amplifying the sound of their calls, which can be heard for miles across the open steppe. These calls are especially important during the mating season when males gather in large herds to compete for females. Sadly, the saiga antelope is facing a multitude of threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Their numbers have plummeted in recent decades, making them one of the most endangered antelope species in the world. Chapter 8, Glass Frog, the See-Through Wonder. Our journey takes us now to the rainforests of Central and South America, where we encounter a creature so translucent that we can see its beating heart. This is the glass frog, a master of camouflage with a secret weapon: its skin. Imagine a world where you could become practically invisible, your internal organs on full display. This is the reality for the glass frog, whose translucent skin allows it to blend seamlessly with the leaves on which it rests. When perched on a leaf, the glass frog's body becomes nearly impossible to distinguish from its surroundings. Its green bones and translucent muscles allow light to pass through, making it practically invisible to predators. But the glass frog's transparency is not its only remarkable feature. It's also incredibly agile, leaping from leaf to leaf with astonishing precision. Its large, forward-facing eyes give it excellent depth perception, allowing it to navigate its arboreal world with ease. Chapter 9, Star-Nosed Mole, the sensory sensation. Our journey takes us now to the eastern United States and parts of Canada, where we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped out of a science fiction novel. This is the star-nosed mole, a small burrowing mammal with a most unusual feature, a star-shaped nose. This extraordinary appendage is not merely a cosmetic oddity. It's a sensory organ of unparalleled sensitivity, covered in 22 fleshy appendages called Eimer's organs. These organs are packed with nerve endings, making the star-nosed mole's nose one of the most sensitive touch organs in the animal kingdom. Imagine a world where you could see with your nose, feeling the minute textures and vibrations of your surroundings. This is the world of the star-nosed mole, a world of subterranean darkness, where survival depends on the ability to navigate and find food in complete darkness. The star-nosed mole uses its remarkable nose to locate prey, such as insects, worms, and small invertebrates, in the soil. It can even identify and consume food underwater using air bubbles to smell its prey. Chapter 10, Tardigrade, the microscopic survivor. Our journey concludes with a creature so small that it's barely visible to the naked eye, yet so resilient that it can survive in the vacuum of space. This is the tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet, a microscopic animal that's found in almost every habitat on Earth. Imagine a creature that can withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, dehydration, and even the vacuum of space. This is the reality for the tardigrade, which can enter a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis, where its metabolism slows to a near standstill. In this state, the tardigrade can survive for decades, only to be revived when conditions become favorable again. It's a testament to the incredible tenacity of life and the remarkable adaptations that have allowed creatures to thrive in even the most extreme environments. The tardigrade's ability to survive in such harsh conditions has made it a subject of intense scientific study. Understanding the mechanisms that allow it to withstand such extremes could have implications for fields such as medicine, agriculture, and even space exploration. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of unique animals. From the depths of the ocean to the treetops of the rainforest, we've encountered creatures that defy expectations and challenge our understanding of the natural world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. The animal kingdom is full of wonder, and we're excited to share more incredible stories with you in the future. See you next time.